how to make a new Netflix profile. Making a new Netflix profile is very simple. Remember that we are talking about profile and not a whole account. So profiles are part of an account. You can have up to 5 different profiles per a singular account. That could be if you're using the maximum plan, which is the premium ultra HD plan. Now, to add a member to your Netflix app, you have to open the Netflix application. And as and when you open it up, you will see this type of interface. Now, in my case, I have already added up to 5 different profiles. But if you have only added like 3 or 4, you still have more options left, then you'll find a plus icon right there. And when you tap the plus icon, then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add in a new profile, give it a name, and you can also choose to lock. You can apply some viewing restrictions and so on. And this way you should be able to make a new Netflix profile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.